He has a pimple. See?
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat.
You sleeping in here? Yeah. You sleep down here? Good morning, guys. Still wearing this. I'm still wearing this. Freezing in this house, guys. And yeah, it's freezing. Okay, I'm gonna have some breakfast. But before that, let me open the window. And what else I have to say? Today is we have to get the car. Today, I'm gonna do a lot of laundry in this house. There's a lot of laundry, tons. Hindi ko alam bakit maginaw dito sa itong bahay na to. Sobrang ginaw. Okay, I'm gonna have some breakfast. Feed the animals. And feed myself. Right, Rox? I will feed my babies. Hi, Dimpulot! Hi, Dimpulot na Dimpulot. Morning pa rin, guys. Wala pa rin pagbabago. Good morning pa rin. Ano dito, hindi hayag. Ano sa Tagalog yung hindi hayag? Nag-ano lang ako, nagsusort ng mga bills. Na mga mail. Na, nung wala ako dito. When I wasn't here. So, there's a lot of mails. And I am sorting ours because me and Tommy have a different. Look at these dogs. They're so tired. Roxy is so big and her bed is so small, so like half, not even half his butt area is in the bedside. And Misty fit the bed. Right, mates? They're so tired, babies. It's 1:09 already and I'm not ready yet. I'm gonna get ready. Tommy's in the shower right now, guys. Maka-shower tong asawa ko, parang babae. Parang babae, guys, pag maka-shower. Ang tagal. It takes forever for him to do it. I'm freezing right now. This is what I'm wearing. It's really thin. This is my first time wearing this. This is what I got from me and Wendy went shopping. I think that was, I don't know, this year. Before she left. But anyway, I can't find anything that I can wear that it's kind of more heavier. But I guess I can't because everything is in the other house. Waiting for Tommy to get out from shower, guys. Kasi tingnan nyo, wala pa akong hilamos, guys. Nag-English, nag-bihis lang ako kasi kasi gusto kong maghilamos before going and brushing my teeth also. And I think I have few left here. I have to buy another one of that. What time is it?
2 o'clock.
I still have time.
Want to eat something? I do it quick. Want to eat something? I do it quick. Want to eat something? I do it quick.
I did it already. And what are you doing?
You don't see a bottle full of gas anywhere, do you?
No. You know what, honey? People will like you. Whatever. Tommy got me in Christmas. I told him not to. I told you. But he got me a ring. It's satin carat gold with the purple stone. I don't know what kind of stone. I don't ask him. But yeah, he got me anyway. I don't know. I asked him, where did you get it? I'm always with you. He says, I got it from GCPenney.
Well, try and organize everything.
Yes, I thought we're going. Oh, look,
Couple of minutes.
he's opening his laptop. We have a very good table. It's white. And it's plastic. Plastic, right?
Folds.
It's folding table. So I'm wearing this because I was cold and now I kinda hot.
Your house upstairs
He
later.
shaved. Look at
Because I
the
know.
shave. Oh, where is he?
Shouldn't be down here.
Come here, Abdi boy. What do you say?
Put his house upstairs later.
Which house? The blue?
The little
The-
house that he likes, a little brown house.
Oh, the brown house? Okay. Oh god, guys, I'm hot now. Why you have my picture in there? Why you have my picture in there? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Thomas.
No. No. Down. Okay, down now. Down now. Misty, down now. Down. Down. Oh, my baby. My good looking bee boy. My good looking bee boy. He shiv. He shiv. Oh, hun. Guys, did you see that, guys?
Because I'm doing something here. Mister, get down, please. Get down.
Misty, down. Your daddy is busy and he doesn't want to be bothered and be touched. I touched him. Did you see his reaction? He doesn't want to be touched. He's so good looking, but he doesn't want to be touched. He keeps his own good luck on himself. He doesn't want to share it with me. And then tomorrow, guys, when I'm picking her up, I'm not gonna call a cab anymore. I have a car now. The only problem is because that Tommy's car, the old one, the Toyota that we've been using, the remote control of the car, the turn is it have a remote and a battery operated, and that's what I'm worried about, the battery. If the remote,
New
but
one has the same problem.
huh?
New one has the same problem.
The same thing too, battery. This is what I'm worried, guys. I don't know how I can do it. If ever, just in case, God forbid, happen like what happened before I'm with Tommy. It's like, I don't know how did he turn the car on. It's like he turned it off, like he kept trying. But I think I have to carry a battery extra with me all the time because I don't want to stuck somewhere. Just Ramadan. Look at guys, we don't even live yet. But look, I'm not wearing my coat now because we don't get a car. We never get a car. They don't approve us.
All she do is complain to me yesterday with annoying emails.
What?
All she do is complain to me yesterday with annoying emails.
Anyway, guys, they called Tommy and they moved the time. It's 4:30 now, so I guess we are not leaving until later. And he has a pimple. See? Did you see this, guys, on my face? It's his fault. This one mark that's big, this is a pimples that I remember. I really do remember. I have my monthly thing, and this pimple have a yellow going out. And Tommy said, "Oh, that's really nice to pop out." So I said, "Okay, do what you want." I let him do it, and he did it. No, he did it, and then it doesn't come out totally, and it hurts on me really bad, and then it scars for years already. Why you on me?
Because you had ones that should have been popped in. Those were the ones that were bothering you. You wanted me to do those, but I told you those weren't really ready. But you wanted me to try those.
No.
The ones that were ready, you didn't want to touch.
No. You do it backward. Okay. And because he loved to pop pimples, guys. And every time
You
this
don't
is...
love to. You just don't like the way you don't like to see them grow.
I know. And then, you know what, guys? I have a problem with popping pimples because it scars really bad. He has pimples like once a year, twice a year in his forehead. He popped it like crazy until it bled. I never see scar in his head. Doesn't. Look, I see one now. I'm sure he popped it because it's red. You did it, right?
Yeah.
So a few weeks from now, I can't see that thing. It's just like his forehead is like really, really good. He won't let it go.
But I can't get anything else out of it right now. So.
Yeah, he won't let it go until he really is like getting it.
I'm really not.
Ay, ay, sagupito. Ay, sagupito. Okay guys, time check. It's already 3:44 in the afternoon. And we're heading to car dealer. Tommy is inside doing something. I don't know what. I'm chewing some chewing gum. Tommy and I got from Costco a big box, different kind of flavor. And I get one flavor winter fresh. I'm freezing, guys. Winter fresh. It smells good. And the one that I'm having right now is the peppermint. The peppermint. So I leave this in here in the car because I'm using it. If you notice, if you've been watching my vlog, I've been like, you notice that? Make too much noise. I can't control it, but I don't know, something bothers me. I'm like, I have to do it. The thing about chewing gum is I have accident, like I'm too gassy and then I bite my tongue. That's the problem about having chewing gum. I'm eating chewing gum because I bite my tongue more often. I love when Tommy wearing this kind. Look, I like it. I wish I have the is smaller than that. I mean, that one is fit on me, this one, but he got it for himself. He never got me one, so I'll just let him have it.
That was nice, yeah.
Yeah, I just let him have it. I grab it and then not asking him, but this time I just let him have it. And good looking husband, look at him. He's so guapo. I'm low-bat, guys. Every time I left the house, I'm low-bat.
Imagine that.
No, but this time I have the battery here. We're here in the car dealer, guys. Beautiful sunset. Yeah, very pretty. Okay. Now why don't you get in? Okay, we're in the car right now. Tommy put me in the back seat. It's a nice black leather, guys. Nice. And it's very spacious in the back, huh? Guys, the sunset is just amazing, but you can't see right here because of the thing. Once and twice. That's it. To start it.
You press it twice?
Twice, and then twice to stop it.
Okay.
That's it. Very easy. First things, well, here, you can turn the light on this way we can see. You have mirrors on both sides. You had auto dimming compass mirror, so you can see which way you're going. It's auto dimming too. Sunglasses if you want. Now here, I can't see. See this? I can see better in the dark. See, this is this called Starlink.
Right.
What this is, oh, and this, I'm not going to do it, but this is you open the moonroof,
Right.
close it, and then you can tip it.
Okay.
Either way. We're here at CVS and we're picking up some medicine under the counter for my mother-in-law. Oh, here you go. I'm looking for this Winter Originals. Yuppie. Yeah, I found this. I mean, Tommy found it. I just like grab it because I was talking about this one. I drove her, that's why I wasn't vlogging. So we're at CVS right now, and we just get out actually from CVS pharmacy, and then heading home. I let Tommy drive because I can film, you know, I can vlog. So tomorrow he's working, so that means I'm gonna drive this tomorrow. I don't know why. Tommy is going to drive the other car until the end of December. He locked himself out. Guys, it's locked. Han, it's locked. I can't even open it. I can't open it. Hold on, guys.
What the heck?
What did you do?
I have no idea. It just locks and doesn't unlock. How the f*** can I not unlock it with a key?
That's really not good.
No, I don't like that idea. I was trying to unlock a trunk and see what the hell.
So weird.
Question, why did it lock me out and why would it not?
I said, what the heck? And then I keep pressing it. I have to press it hard enough. Hi guys. No, you're not going out with us because you bark everybody. You make too much noise. So I'm gonna wear hoodie guys because it is super cold. So the car is right here. We are making some grilling sausage and steak. It is late guys. It is 9:31 and yeah, I got some olive from CVS because my Midol, I think I have like 2 or 3 pieces left in there, and of course I got a liner panty. What else? I'm gonna go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, wash my face. I don't have the thing over here. Oh, I got the thing I think I showed you this. Look at this guys. Okay guys, like that, especially in the cold weather, this is really nice. It helps. I'm gonna get another one that have a air mask, the one that's hanging here. I'm gonna get that. Well, this is already good, you know, so I like it. It's purple. So anyway guys, this is 14 bucks, almost 15, 14.99. I have to come down because nakalimutan kong may ano pa pala, laundry. I still have laundry to Tommy's still down here.
I'm gonna unlock the car right now.
Huh? You can do that? That's not right. People can access it.
My Starlink.
Huh?
My Starlink.
Yeah, but I don't like that online thing, that remotely thing on the online, huh? No, Will, it's not. Don't do that.
You can't start the car.
No, it's just like people can access the car. That's just ridiculous. I'm doing laundry, guys. It's the last thing. All I have to do is put the stuff into dryer. He is busy. The steak is so good, huh? Thanks, big boy.
Yeah.
Hi guys. I don't know if you can hear me properly, but yeah, I'm gonna insert this shout out, guys. Shout out to Sis Basilio. Hi sis, you really look good, sis. Shout out to Sis Basilio. Hi sis, thank you for watching. And, shout out to Malo Kalamba Corgi. I don't know. Let me know if I pronounce it wrong or right. So hi sis, thank you for watching. Thanks for chatting with me and giving time to watch my video, and I really do appreciate it. To all of you, thank you guys so much, and yeah, happy new year to everyone. Hi guys, thank you all guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I hope this year of 2017, I have more subscribers to come, and fingers crossed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Bye. We had steak and sausage. The sausage is always good, no matter what you do with it. So this is the last laundry. I will put this to the dryer. The thing is, I have to hang Tommy's stuff, like for example jeans and shirts, and yeah, like this. He has a lot of this kind, guys. He is a black guy, like he likes blacks, and like this. I'll hang this right here. One of the viewers, he noticed, I think he or she noticed something. I'm not an idiot. I noticed that I repeat words. I have to see, I double the, not even the sentence, I have to see the words twice, just like every time I talk. It's just, that's me. It's just like I like to see it twice. For example, if I said I like to see it twice, I like to see it twice, like twice, like that. I don't know, guys. Iwan ko ba, guys? And then if that bothers to somebody like that, I'm not an idiot. I know I said it double sometimes, but if it bothers you, I make it 5 to make you happy. I'm gonna make it 5. Sometimes, you know, I get so like the emotion or the excitement, I have to like repeat it, like, yeah, whatever. So yeah, somebody, it says I'm gonna read it to you guys, the comment here. Hold on. This is the comment, okay? There is something wrong with this woman. She talks double. Lol. You are not self-aware, but others can see it. Of course I know. Of course I know that I can, you know, I say it double. You should see a psychology, then a psychiatrist for treatment and management. What? And it is time, don't you think? For your information, maybe we both need psychiatrists. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. I just say it, guys. If I see it double, I see it double. I probably like it to see it 5 times that some people can understand me. It's just ridiculous. What do you think, guys? You know, I don't receive any like I think that's not a haters or something, or somebody, I don't know what you said, it haters or whatever, doesn't like me or whatever, but I don't really receive a lot of that. I drove the car. It's kind of weird. I'm used to the high one, the one that the Toyota, but it's really drives really nice, guys. The Subaru Legacy drives really nice. I no kidding, guys. It's soft, like it's very like light. Oh my goodness, so different. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog because soon enough, right hand, we're going up soon. That's it, answer. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you all, guys, so much for watching my videos and my boringness in this vlog. You know, sometimes it's not boring when Tom is around. It's fun. It's fun in America. It's fun in America. Anyway, guys, bye. Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed on this channel, click the red subscribe button down below. And if you like this video, click the thumbs up, the like button. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. 2 cars that I really want. You have a dream car, right? You know, all you have to do is dream. First thing is the Wrangler Jeep white.